Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to watch and download Telegram videos. You tap on the group where the video is that you want to watch, the channel, and there, as you can see, I can set to web by pressing on the play button here. I can download it by tapping on Save to Gallery. I can tap on the three dots over here. I can save to gallery or save to download. Tap on the one you want. It's as simple as that. So you can also turn on automatic download for it by tapping on settings. Tap on data and storage, and then you can turn to if it's automatic media download. You can enable it. When connect when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, when roaming. You can also turn on streaming, which will make it possible for Telegram to start playing the videos and music right away without waiting for the files to be fully downloaded. It's as simple as that. That is how to watch and download Telegram videos or movies on Telegram. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.